Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off the sat nav, because there is a possibility that the light during the night could hurt you. You can feel uncomfortable, so because of that you have an option to turn off the sat nav. So firstly I'm going to turn on the radio, including the sat nav. So normally this is how the sat nav looks like, and there is an option to turn it off. To do that we have to use this button over here, this joystick, this button in the middle. It works like a joystick, and if you want to press OK, just push this joystick down. All right. So now we are going to use this joystick, and we are going to push this button menu. Go using the joystick, go to change preferences, push this joystick down as an OK button. Okay, and now we are going to go to hide map. OK, push the button OK, and that's it. The radio is going to stay like this, so the light is not going to bother you. Another thing, if you want to go back and if you want to use the sat nav, just go and press this button over here, map 2D or 3D. So we're going to push that button once, and we are having the sat nav back. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.